Do you want to read web pages written in another language more easily? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a translate feature in Samsung Internet that can translate the pages directly while you browse. Let me show you how. First, open a web page in Samsung Internet. Then tap the browsing assist icon at the bottom. Tap Translate. As you can see, the content of the web page are translated instantly. At the top of the web page, a translation bar appears. Here, you will see the source language, which in my case is English, a switch icon to swap languages, the target language, a button to turn translation on or off, and a three-dot menu. Inside the three-dot menu, you will find additional options. You can enable Never Translate English if you are comfortable reading English and don't want translation suggestion for English web pages anymore. Or you can enable Never Translate this site for website you visit frequently and prefer to keep in their original language. You can also open setting to turn the translate feature on or off and download language pack. There's also an X button to close the translation bar. For this example, let's translate this web page into another language by changing the target language. As you can see, the content of the web page are translated instantly. If you want to view the original web page again, simply tap the translate button to turn translation off. One thing to keep in mind is that the translation bar remains available across all tabs, making it easy to translate other web pages without opening the feature again. And that's how you translate web pages in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.